what is it at Crowe that you appreciate about our community?
Yeah, I think supportiveness. I think if you look at the groups that I've worked with through my entire career, starting 10 years ago, I've always felt a great sense of support. Even when you're working with different organizations or groups within Crowe, I feel like you get a great support system.
The fact that leadership is actually invested and cares about you, I think you could be discussing the smallest details about, what you're doing this weekend, what you have going on with family. The following Monday, I'll get a ping, hey, how was your weekend? How was that activity? Just following up on this, did you have fun? And that just makes me feel very valued, and the fact that leadership does care, right? They do want to put that attention in and give you that time of day, and I think that speaks volumes. And it's a trickle-down effect, right? The way you treat people is the way you want to be treated, essentially, right? And I think our leadership emulates that. They're responsible, and they really do care to that attention.
It's, first week of training when I just started, how am I going to remember all these? The resources are there, there's always new trainings. You also care about us to keep growing in our career, so that is something I value.
Pride, very proud of the score, but I'm even more proud that we're talking about justice, that it's a topic of conversation, that it's something that we're asking our people how they feel about justice and what it means to the firm, because it means so many things, as you can tell from the score, about treating people fairly, regardless of race, gender, sexual orientation. I hope that our people understand that it matters to firm leadership, and again, your score is a validation that we're doing things right, but we also need to keep a constant focus on it. So I'm most proud that we're even having this conversation and thinking about what justice really means. That, I believe, is what matters the most.